Today, we're making a high-protein pancake power bowl with 38 grams of protein for just 370 calories. This recipe is super quick and easy, taking just a few minutes by using your microwave. Let's get into it. First, we'll add a half cup of Kodiak pancake mix, 1/2 cup of fat-free milk, a 1/4 cup of liquid egg whites, and a 1/2 cup of non-fat Greek yogurt. Then we'll mix it together, microwave it for 3.5 to 5 minutes. Then we'll top it with some whipped cream and then some blueberries and some sugar-free syrup. And there you have it. This recipe contains 38 grams of protein, 52 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fat, for a total of 372 calories. If you prefer more fat, you could always substitute for higher fat milk or just regular eggs. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you need another high protein breakfast, check out my video of my breakfast burritos. And as always, if you like this video, hit that like button and we'll see you on the next one.